G'day folks, today in this video we're going to be taking a look at the iPhone XS Max smart battery case that Apple just released. It's big and bulky and expensive. Is it right for you? Let's take a closer look. So if you're a regular to my channel, you know that all my YouTube videos are filmed on my iPhone. Right now I'm currently filming this video on an iPhone 8 Plus. I've got my iPhone XS Max here, which I upgraded to over the holiday season. And this iPhone is what all my new YouTube videos are going to be filmed on going forward. So for me, something like this kind of makes sense. I use my iPhone quite a bit, recording videos, editing. I'm on YouTube responding to comments, on my blog, on my Facebook page, Instagram. I'm always on my phone. Now I can't really complain about the battery life of the XS Max. Most days I can get through till the end of the day and then charge it up overnight. But there are those days when I'm using it a lot and I'm recording several videos that by mid-afternoon I'm having to plug it in to charge it up. And sometimes it's just not convenient because I have work to do, I'm out on the go, and I thought a case like this would be handy. So anyways, let's open it up and we'll take a look at it. We'll see how it works. So there it is there. So we'll pull it out there. We have our documentation there, kind of gives us some information about it. And there's the case there. So on first inspection here, it doesn't look as big as it looked on video and in photos when I was looking at it online. It is quite large, don't get me wrong, but you know, definitely quite doable for myself. Now this case is just like the silicone cases that Apple sell. You can get them in black or white. I actually really like the Apple silicone cases. I've had them for almost every generation of phone. And I've used a lot of different cases over the years, and I've always come back to the silicone case by Apple. It just fits nice. I've already dropped this phone numerous times, and it's always protected it. It's typical for Apple not to give you a lot of specs. They're more about the user experience. On their website, they tell you how much talk time you have, how much time you have listening to music, videos, stuff like that. But basically, it works out that you're going to get 50 to 70% extra usage out of your phone. It just depends on what you're using your phone for and how you use it. So I've got it out of the old silicone case here, and we'll go ahead and we'll install it into the new one. And just like that. So we've got it installed here, and definitely I can say that it does add some weight to your phone, and it does add a fair amount of bulk. It's not going to be for everybody, and in fact I don't think it's going to be for a lot of people. You know, for people who are power users who use their phone for vlogging, Instagram, different things like that, definitely I could see a case like this coming in handy. You know, just getting you through your day without having to worry about charging it up. The other nice thing too is if you're a person who does a lot of flying and you watch a lot of videos on an airplane, say, different things like that, definitely a battery like that will get you through your entire flight. So this comes in at $130 US, and if you're in Canada like myself, it's $179. So it's not cheap. It's definitely one of those purchases that you really have to kind of justify if it's something you're going to make use of, if it's worth spending that kind of money. There are definitely cheaper options available on Amazon. I've never used any of those kind of battery cases, third-party ones, so I can't really attest to how well they perform. The nice thing about using the Apple brand one is that it does blend into the iOS quite well. For example, if we slide over here, it shows us the battery levels. We can see that my iPhone is sitting at 70% and the battery case is at 0%, so it needs to be charged up. And when we go to plug it in, you can see there it's now charging. In fact, you can see that it's charging both at the exact same time there. Apple has made these battery cases for some of their older iPhones as well. However, these new battery cases support wireless charging. So you can go ahead and charge that up on a wireless charger if that's how you charge your phone. So right now they're only available in Apple stores and on the Apple website. I'm sure that they will become available on Amazon sometime soon for those of you that would rather purchase on Amazon. Now it's really hard to see there. If I can get the light the right way, there's a small LED light just above the lightning port, and that allows you to charge the battery case independently from your phone. You can see there that that little LED light comes on, signifying that it's charging, and I'm assuming it'll turn green or turn out when it's fully charged. So definitely that's handy, because if your battery case is dead and you're heading out for the day, you don't want to carry that big bulky thing around if it's not going to give you any extra power. So you can plug it in at home, take off, and it's going to be charged up and ready for you when you get back. Now this battery case is available for all the new iPhones, the XS, the XS Max, the XR that was released later on in the fall, and they're the same price for all the models, $129 in the US and $179 in Canada. Now, and you can see how it works there. I don't have it plugged into anything right now, but you can see that my phone is being charged by the case. So yeah, folks, that is the new battery case for the XS, the XS Max, and the XR. Apple just started shipping these out. I received mine today, And so if you do have one on order already, you should be receiving it today or sometime soon anyways. So I guess this battery case is one of those things that's not for everybody. If you're a person who doesn't like the big bulky phones, then definitely this battery case is not for you. If you don't mind the bigger, bulkier phones, then that's not going to add a lot to it. It probably won't bother you too much. Anyways, folks, thanks a lot for watching this video. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming videos, and we'll see you in the next one.